Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So we actually have a customer in here that has a BMW companion hitch, and I believe his is a 20,000 pound. And so he's here to do a fifth wheel maintenance. So when we're pulling it apart, we're checking all the torque for everything. We're checking all the springs, the latches, the hardware, making sure there's no cracks, nothing's rusted, nothing's broken up other than the minor normal stuff. But what I wanted to show you here on here is the guys are letting it soak to getting ready to rinse the grease and stuff off of it, is the shock that's in here, which is actually on the opposite side. The shock that's in here is leaking. And so there's a T-shock that's in here, and that guy's leaking, and it's failed. So we actually have the new replacement. We had one in stock for another customer, and we're going to go ahead and rob Peter to pay Paul, you speak. So this gets bolted in, and this blue one is the replacement one, and this goes underneath that to help the head for when it's pivoting, so that when it's oscillating back and forth like that. So anyways, the guys will get that replaced while they're doing a service, making sure that everything's okay on his hitch, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, Derby Specialist. And if you haven't followed us on any of our Facebook pages, I would encourage you to do that. We have a bunch of groups on all the different manufacturers. And if you haven't checked out more about us doing BMW repairs, we're an authorized service center. We do services and maintenances on them. So if you need any parts or any of that kind of fun stuff, or you need a new hitch put in, or if you want to do a turnover ball, like we got another pickup truck over here getting ready to do a turnover ball system in it. So give us a holler. Thanks again. This is Dustin, Derby Specialist. Have a great day.